I'm Wes Smuts, and this is 45 Armstrong Road in Pacific Heights. Come and have a look at what this fantastic family home has to offer. The open plan kitchen, dining and living and flow onto the backyard porch makes entertaining family and friends a dream. With 3 bedrooms and a bathroom on this side of the home and the main bedroom and ensuite on the other, it is an ideal space to raise a family with some privacy for parents and kids. I absolutely love this little veg garden and nursery. You'll find this sparkling private pool set behind this tropical landscape garden. Even though this property is centrally located with walking distance to local schools and easy access to the beaches, it provides privacy in spades with this beautiful backyard patio flowing onto the pool and back into the indoor kitchen. 3 bedrooms and a 2-bathroom home set on a large corner block with tons of privacy, fully fenced, a pool, walking distance to St. Benedict's private school, easy access to the beach in the heart of Pacific Heights is something that appeals to you. Get in touch with me, Wes Smuts, for more information.